Hello everyone. Reading daily one page improves our English communication skills and reading habit. So, in this video, we are going to read 7th standard science transportation in animals and plants. One type of cells are the red blood cells RBC, which contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transport it into all the parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. It will be difficult to provide oxygen efficiently to all the cells of the body without hemoglobin. The presence of hemoglobin makes blood appear red. The blood also has white blood cells WBC, which fight against germs that may enter our body. Bojo fell down while playing a game and his knee got injured. Blood was coming out from the cut. After some time, he noticed that bleeding had stopped and a dark red had plugged the cut. Bojo was puzzled about this. The clot is formed because of the presence of another type of cells in the blood called platelets. Blood vessels. There are different types of blood vessels in the body. You know that during inhalation, a fresh supply of oxygen fills the lungs. Oxygen has to be transported to the rest of the body. Also, the blood picks up the waste materials including carbon dioxide from the cells. This blood has to go back to the heart for transport to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide, as we have learned in chapter 6. So, two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins, are present in the body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Since the blood flow is rapid and at a high pressure, the arteries have thick elastic walls. Let us perform an activity to study the flow of blood through the arteries. Activity 7.1. Place the middle and index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. Can you feel some throbbing movements? Why do you think there is throbbing? This throbbing is called the pulse, and it is due to the blood flowing in the arteries. Count the number of pulses beat in 1 minute. How many pulses beats could you count? The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. A resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 to 80 beats per minute. Find other places in your body where you can feel the pulse. Record your own pulse beats per minute and those of your classmates. Insert the values you obtained in table 7.1 and compare them.